Alright, welcome everybody. We are out to look for orcas, killer whales. We are just splashed down right now. As you can see, we are traveling in the boat. It's a small boat, but we can find some orcas in the ocean. Alright, this is the...
Just like that, the 23,000 pound box. Just slowly. Now, we're in the Coast Guard rules. If you guys want to get up and move around, feel free to do that. If you do, though, I want 2 feet on the deck. One hand holding something as you move. That is just safe. For my little ones, if you guys want to kneel on the seat so you can see better, I don't mind if you kneel, but no standing. Standing is not safe. What happened to our wheels? Where'd they go? Do you have any ideas?
Slow ahead. I can go slow ahead. Come on down and jump some of this shit. You're gonna need a bigger boat.
What's the Nimitz class? I forgot. Is that nuclear?
That's super good.
But it's not the nuclear.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they are nuclear. They only refuel one time in their Navy, one time in their 7-year life. Do you guys see the golden anchor on the front?
Yeah.
That golden anchor means at least 80% of this crew re-enlist to stay on board that boat.
Let's see if they'll say hi.
The St. Vincent.
Every day to feed those 6,000 plus sailors, they're cooking about 18,000 meals a day. If we include mid-rats or midday ration. There is a big hole in the side.
Can't get in the view.
That's actually the only ventilation they get down there.
Welcome to SeaWorld's Orca Encounter. My name's Sam, and I was at Kalia, Shukia, and 61-year-old Corky, 3 members of our killer whale family demonstrating their incredible size, speed, power, and complex learning ability. Our killer whale family here has inspired hundreds of thousands of people all around the world, and we're so excited for you all to learn more about them here today. Now, as trainers, we spend years building relationships with these animals. This builds trust and allows us to provide optimal health care, research, and quality of life. In fact, every single one of our whales here takes an active role in their own health and well-being through husbandry or medical behaviors. One of the very important medical behaviors we teach our whales is called a fluke present. This is when we ask the whales to gently lay back and present us their tail flukes, which allows a regular routine to get blood samples that run through those veins on the underside of the killer whale flukes. These blood samples are a very important way of making sure that our animals are staying nice and healthy. Another Another very important healthcare metric is monitoring our whales' weight. All of our whales are taught to slide out onto a giant killer whale size scale and lift their tail flukes all the way up and out of the water so we can get an accurate weight. A gecko here weighs close to 10,000 pounds. There he is. Now this behavior is a great example of the purpose behind our training program. While that slide-out is visually stunning, the real purpose behind the behavior is monitoring our whale's weight. We'll assess the animals for high-energy, powerful behaviors like breaches and jumps up and out of the water to keep them active and engaged. In fact, every single behavior you see here in the park today plays a role in making sure that all of our animals stay healthy. We strive to achieve this high level of care through diet, exercise, lots of love, and of course, play. And these whales sure do love to play. We learn what they like and how they enjoy interacting, not just with each other, but with each one of us as trainers. Play sessions help us build our relationship. So please join this fun play session with the trainers, the whales, and all of you. Everyone. But for a killer whale, it's one of those important ways that they learn and practice their hunting skills. Killer whales out in the ocean will prey on pretty much anything, from fish to marine mammals to great white sharks, all the way up to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. The blue whale is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than a killer whale. So, you may be wondering, how does a whale the size of Corky here prey on a whale the size of a blue whale out in the ocean? Skill and teamwork allow the killer whales to hunt the blue whale and all other types of prey. In fact, killer whales around the world have developed unique hunting techniques to catch their prey of choice. They can often be seen using their tail flukes for slapping, tossing, and throwing. This stunts their prey, making them easier to catch. The beach. A natural athletic behavior seen in killer whales is the ability to fully beach themselves, turn, and slide right back into the water. Transient pods of killer whales prey on marine mammals. They rely on quiet stealth to hunt their prey. During the hunt, you may see large pods of killer whales porpoising in pursuit of prey, or sometimes just when playing in an ocean wave. Antarctic killer whales have actually learned an amazing technique where they work together to create giant waves to knock unsuspecting seals right off of blocks of floating ice. While this behavior is truly incredible to witness, you can't imagine the amount of water displaced by these animals unless you experience it firsthand. So luckily I have a very brave volunteer, Matthew, who's gonna come on down and feel the full power of that killer whale's wave. So have a seat right there and hold on to that handle. Perfect. Now our water is about 55 degrees. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, yes, let's go. Big round of applause. All right, well, no turning back now because 10,000 pounds of Ikaika is headed our way and he can make quite a splash. So hold on tight because here comes that wave. All right, not so bad, right? Refreshing. Okay, let's get on to Matthew and his new friend Ikaika. That's what the seals feel like. Now, these behaviors you've witnessed are just a fraction of the behaviors killer whales have developed all around the world. They'll use their tail flukes to stun their prey, but today, looks like these three might just be stunning all of you. You know what that means. It's time to get wet!
Killer whales are impressive animals. it's pretty obvious why they're the top predator of our ocean. That means killer whales are invincible, right? Wrong.
Killer whales depend on a plentiful food source and a clean environment. They are completely dominant, yet completely dependent. When it comes down to it, killer whales are not the most powerful animal in the ocean. Their future depends on you, through your actions, through the choices we all make. We hold the future of killer whales and the ocean in our hands.
The ocean needs our help, and that can seem overwhelming, but together we can make a change.
So much to learn. So much to explore.
So much to protect.
The ocean is facing significant changes, but don't give up. Be inspired. The killer whale story is still being written. And there's simple things we can all do to make a difference.
All it takes is one.
One positive act.
One ripple that can grow and grow and change the world. Together, we've got this.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please join us for one final high-energy exercise session with Shukia, Untitled, and Corky.
Alright, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the show. I still have the closing episode, but I want you to take this opportunity to hit the like button and leave a comment. The question I want to leave you is, are orcas killer whales? Are they black with white spots or patches? Or are they white with black patches and spots? Put that in the comment section and let me know what you think. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Please, it helps the channel.
Thank you so much for joining us for Orca Encounter, and have a great rest of the day right here at SeaWorld. Goodbye, everybody!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.